Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to quickly show you how to make money from betting. All right guy, you can make it. You can definitely make it. Don't let anybody tell you you cannot make it. It's a lie. I have proven myself right in this assumption that I can make money from betting. Okay, before now I have been losing money from this business. All right, I have been losing good amount of money to betting, but I am not giving up because I personally know that I can make this money until I sit my ass down and I begin to recover all the damn chicken chip pains that I've lost in betting. Okay, now I want to guide you strictly on how you can start to make money from betting. I have good betting companies that I want to introduce to you and good betting sites that analyze football, and I want to use that guide to guide you into making money from betting. Okay guys, quickly subscribe to my channel, make your comments on the comment section, let me know your opinion after watching my video and the testimony after using my guide to stake. Let me hear your testimony on the comment section. Come back and comment. Okay, let us go straight to the point. Now I want to lead you into how to begin to make money from betting. Once I've lost a lot of money, but let us start the business. Now click on that subscription button and turn on the bell notification to get updated when I make a new video. Okay, today quickly go to www.soccer24.com, okay, or sofascore.com or soccer24.com. Those are two forecasting football websites that analyze football. Okay, quickly on soccer24.com, they have two signal, the red signal and the green signal, that analyzes the outcome of football match between two teams. For instance, we have in Premiership, we have Man City is playing Leeds United today, Liverpool is playing Aston Villa today, and Crystal Palace is playing Chelsea today. Okay, if you come on the analysis part of it, you see that all the home teams, they say that they are not likely to win the match today. Okay, I don't know what the reason behind that, but we are going to find that out. Now they are saying that they are likely to be draw between two teams today. And they are also saying that away teams are the major bets out here to make winning today. And in this away team, you see that Chelsea is one of them. Chelsea against Crystal Palace. And they say Aston Villa is likely to win Liverpool or they draw Liverpool. And they also say that Leeds United is likely to draw Man City, to win Man City, or they draw Man City. But you cannot completely just sit on that. If you come to France, you see that PSG is playing Strasbourg. Then they say that PSG is likely to win this match or they draw Strasbourg. And if you come to Germany today, you see Bayern Munich is playing Union Berlin, and they are saying that Union Berlin is likely to win Bayern Munich or they draw Bayern Munich today. So that's just how, maybe this is as a result of just return from international break or one thing or the other, maybe the team performance or the player that was not likely to feature in the match today, or whether so many things can lead to team being forecasted to lose match, draw match, or win match. Okay, in the case of this Liverpool and Man City and Chelsea, we want to dwell there precisely to guide us on why things are going to happen the way we want to happen today. So quickly, you see that they say that Man City will likely get this match draw or being won over by away team. This is home, this is draw, this is away. So, but to be on the safe side, you have to also open this match to see their previous encounter. Okay, the previous encounter between Manchester City and Leeds United. You come to head-to-head. The head-to-head, if you see that, the last 5 matches of Manchester United City, they have been able to win all their matches, but the goal margin being not too wide. See, 3 goals highest, that's what they win. And you would also discover that in all their last Premiership encounter or outings, they play goalless. They never concede any goals in the last 4 matches. Okay, and they won 1 in Champions League and concede 1. So, and they also see in Leeds United last 5 outing, they are able to win 2 games with 3 goals and drew 1, goalless, and lose 2 with 2 goals. Okay, so what does that mean? The highest goal that they have considered so far is 3 goals in all their 5 outings. The highest goal they made in their match is three goals, and these people also made only 3 goals in their last 5 matches. So that's to tell that the match between them today may likely be, the goal in the match will likely be between 3 to 4 goals. And you also come to their last 5 encounter. Last 5 encounter head to head of Man City and Leeds United. You see that when Man City plays at home, they win Leeds United. Okay, so Leeds United, when they play at home, they either win Man City or they draw Man City. You see the analysis. But when Leeds City play at away, they drew Man City from away and they lose 1 from away. So what that means is that, but you give the home factor, Man City plays home and they always win at home, but they drew also at home. But these people are saying that that Leeds is likely to draw the match or they win the match, they draw or they win. But the record shows that whenever Man City play Leeds at home, they almost likely win the lead or they draw Leeds. But there is something that I want you to look out for. Goals here. Either it is 4 goals or 2 goals. Do you see it? So goals in this match will either be under 5.5 or over 1.5. If I were you, since forecaster has already said that these people are likely to win or draw this match, I will play them over 1.5 and move forward. Okay, that's how to forecast football and move ahead, because they always score goals. See, 2 goals, 4 goals, 3 goals, 2 goals, 3 goals. If you open this drop down, you still see that 3 goals, 4 goals, 2 goals, 3 goals, 7 goals. You know, this is only when they score 1 goal, and this when they play goalless. Okay, so but the chance of having this 7 goal was so rare. But what you always see in them is 4 goals highest, 4 goals highest, 5 goals, 4 goals. So between here, after they had 7 encounters, from this 7 to now, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After their last 8 encounters, they play under 5.5 goals. So that's to tell that the match today will not have up to 5 goals or will not be more than 5 goals. But it can be more than 1 goal. So you play them over 1.5 and you stand a chance of winning. Okay, so this is how to follow the forecast. And the other way around, after you got out from there, you come to SoFA score. SoFA score is between Man City and Leeds United. Still come here, you see their analysis. They say that Manchester City, when the odds is 1.36, you can see this 1.36. The expected chances of winning the match by Man City is 74%. So when the odds is this small, Man City is likely to win the ball. And 74% is very good percentage if you want to use that to calculate. But this team actually wins 75% matches with these odds. What they are saying, this yellow point here, this yellow analysis here is very important. They say that anytime you give these people 1.36 odds, that they've won 75% of matches, 75% of matches with this odd. So, and Man City is playing home. Don't forget that Man City is a big team in England, because if you also follow their standing, come up here, if you check their standing, Man City is the league leader. Okay, but what the reason that they say they might not really put much effort in this is they have gap on the table, and they are gapping the second person, this Manchester United, on the table with 14 points. Okay, 60 to 74, 14 points. So they can tend to relax, because they know that even if these people win their match today, they will not come close to them. So the threat is not much there on the table. So they can relax, they can tend to relax. That's why they say that they may likely, that's why the first forecast said that they may likely get this match drawn or they lose it, because they can relax because of the gap they have to the person that followed them second on the table, which is Manchester United. Okay, so this is how you balance your forecast to be able to win match out there. Okay, so you can go to good betting company like SportyBet Nigeria or 1xBet. Those are very viable, very profitable betting sites that you can just queue in there and make good money. But presently, I want to show you explicit to something like this Man City match that is coming. Man City in England, see under 1xBet. If you play the Man City under 1xBet, you see that under over 1.5 in this match. Over 1.5, Man City leads. Over 1.5, look at it here. Over 1.5, okay, that's individual. Over 1.5, Man City lead is 1.13. Okay, while under 5.5 is 1.06. 1.06. Under 4.5, 1.23. Okay. And another thing is that this match is an early kickoff, 12:30. Early kickoff match in England, the goals has not always been that much, but except that they are just returning from international assignment, there must be unexpected happening. So I prefer that you play them